Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster tail at home. First, ensure your lobster tails are fully thawed if frozen. Next, grab some kitchen shears and carefully cut along the top of the shell, from the thickest part down to the tail fan. Then, gently pull the raw lobster meat upwards, separating it from the bottom shell, and let it rest on top. This butterfly cut allows for even cooking and a beautiful presentation. Now for the delicious part, seasoning. Melt about 1/4 cup of unsalted butter or use a good quality olive oil. Brush this generously over the exposed lobster meat. Then sprinkle with a dash of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a hint of paprika for color. For an extra kick, add some minced garlic or finely chopped fresh parsley. This simple seasoning enhances the natural sweetness of the lobster. There are a few fantastic ways to cook your prepared lobster tails. Baking is popular. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on size. Grilling offers a smoky flavor. Cook over medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes per side. For a quick finish, broil for just 1 to 2 minutes until the meat turns opaque and slightly firm. Always avoid overcooking to keep it tender. Once cooked to perfection, it's time to serve your magnificent lobster tails. Present them immediately with a small bowl of extra melted butter for dipping. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavor beautifully. Garnish with a sprig of fresh parsley for an elegant touch. These delicious tails pair wonderfully with roasted asparagus, a crisp green salad, or even some creamy risotto for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.